Almost spring. Time to think of summer, barbecues, and patio living. Here we go. Easy way to build outdoor fireplace out of 2 propane tanks, which are available at your local scrapyard very cheaply. If you need to devalve them and degas them, you can see my other videos on YouTube. Just go to Slipstream Wash and I'll show you how to do that safely. And here we go. So, angle grinder drill project. That's all you need for this. Cut-off wheel and a nice sharp drill bit for metal, of course. And for the base, we got a propane tank cut in half, cut evenly so this doesn't wobble. You leave the base on the first tank, cut that in half, bolt them two together like so. You can see that bolt in there. Cut yourself a nice cathedral style door. Grind this all off so there's no sharp edges, burrs. Get some other parts from your local scrapyard. This is a flange off an old exhaust system. This is just a piece of stainless pipe that's fitted right on there. It's very tough and this is not going to come apart. Bolt it into the unit. And for an undergrate rack, I've just taken some scrap parts and put together this little rack so I can keep the wood off the bottom for good combustion. And the whole thing's treated in high temp stove black paint. Perfect, ready to go. There's your outdoor fireplace. Build the whole thing for like $5. Lasts you probably your whole life. How great is that? And it looks really cool too. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.